People judge things with their credit card. The more they pay for something, the more they value it. And so you have to realize that you can change the value of your art by changing the prices of your art. And this is not some hocus pocus type of science. No, there's actually real science behind this. Daniel really proved that when you change the expectations of people, their reality of the things that they're experiencing changes itself. And so you want to constantly be busy with, how can I change or influence the expectations of those buyers, the expectations of those galleries, the expectations of people in the art world in general. Now, an interesting study that I read in Predictably Irrational from Dan Ariely shows this beautifully. In one study, they ask people to do a series of puzzles, and before that they sell an energy drink to those people. In one scenario, the price of the energy is like $1 or something. In the other scenario, the price of the energy drink is like $3.50 or something. And what they found was that the people who paid way more for the energy drink had much higher expectations of the energy drink, and therefore the energy drink started working better. How did they find this out? Well, they saw that the results on the cognitive puzzle tests of the people who paid more were way better. And so this is insane. The energy drink will work better if you pay more for it. And so the painting that you're selling or the painting that you're buying will work better to some extent. There's of course limits to this, but will work better if the collector pays more for it, if you pay more for that painting that you just bought. And so this is huge. This is huge. You can manipulate the expectations of people by charging more, and then also change the experience of the product itself into a better experience. In the art world, we oftentimes are not really consciously using that, and yeah, you can just use that.